Kia ora, I'm Marley Ning, and these are the latest M News New Zealand headlines. A building fire has broken out on Kōwhai Road in Hastings. Fire and Emergency New Zealand were called to the scene at about 9:30 a.m. on Monday. The road is closed between Duke Street and Frederick Street. Police have asked people to avoid the area. Let's go live now to our emergency correspondent, Emma Smith. Good morning to you, Emma. There were 4 fire engines on site and a small trail of smoke was visible at the back of a residential property. So, Emma, what is the latest that we know? Okay, Emma Smith, thank you. Police are investigating after an injured man entered a restaurant on Auckland's North Shore saying he had been stabbed. Emergency services were called to the restaurant in Birkenhead at about 8 p.m. on Sunday. The man told staff that he had a stab wound. Let's go live now to Emma Smith really quickly. Good morning to you, Emma. What do we know? Okay, Emma Smith, thank you. Drivers are being warned to delay travel after a truck breakdown left 2 southbound lanes on the Auckland Harbour Bridge block. The incident happened at around 6:05 a.m. on Monday, but by 8:30 a.m. Monday, the situation was not much better, with Google Maps showing a journey of nearly an hour from Albany to the CBD. Let's go live now to our emergency correspondent, Emma Smith. Good morning to you, Emma. What do we know? Okay, Emma Smith, thank you very much. A magnitude 4.1 earthquake has jolted the lower North Island yesterday afternoon. GeoNet said the quake struck 10 kilometers northwest of Levin at 5:16 p.m. at a depth of 37 kilometers. It described the shaking as light, with close to 2,000 reports from people feeling the tremor by 5:45 p.m. Let's go live now to Emma Smith. Good morning to you, Emma. What do we know? Okay, Emma Smith, thank you. Emergency services are attending the scene of a single vehicle crash on a Blockhouse Bay Road. Police were notified just after 12:30 on Monday, and one person has been taken to hospital in a serious condition. The southbound lane on Blockhouse Bay Road has been closed with diversions in place. And those are the latest M News New Zealand headlines. For more and to stay up to date throughout the day, head to mnews.co.nz. Kia pai tō rā.